Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add collaborators in your Instagram post. So for example, I have this post right here that I want to add a collaboration with. So if you have already posted a photo or say anything and you want to add a collaborator, then what you gotta do is click on these three dots present at the top of that post, and then you can see this option which says edit. So click on the edit button and you can see in the blue label it says add collaborators. So simply click here and then you can choose to invite collaborators. So click here and search for the user you want to invite as a collaborator. So I will do this, and here you can see, so for example I choose this account right here, and here you can see that once I have done this, I also have the option to tag them, and they have been sent a request for this collaboration, and if they accept it, the collaboration will be successful. And once that is done, you are all set to go. If you want to tag them, you may click on this tick mark icon right here, or if you don't, you may click on this cross symbol. So for instance, let's click here and you can see that there is one collaborator, and if you see that it is still awaiting response, so when they will accept it, you will get a collaborator option in this particular post. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.